you tired of using app stores that prioritize profits over privacy and security? Do you want to take control of your software choices and support a community of developers who believe in the power of free and open source software? Then you're in the right place. Get ready to discover a world of amazing apps, transparency, and empowerment. Are you curious yet? Let's dive in. I'd really appreciate you if you like, subscribe, share, and comment on our content. F-Droid is a software repository for Android applications that offers a catalog of FOSS applications. It is a free and open source project that was launched in 2010 by Kieran Gultnieks, a software developer from the United Kingdom. The primary goal of Fdroid is to provide users with an alternative to the proprietary Google Play Store that allows them to download and use FOSS applications on their Android devices. Fdroid is a self-contained software repository, which means that it is entirely independent of Google Play Store. The applications available on Fdroid are carefully selected, tested, and reviewed to ensure that they meet the repository's strict standards for FOSS applications. Fdroid also provides a range of features that help users discover and install new applications quickly. Features of Fdroid. 1. FOSS applications. Fdroid offers a wide range of FOSS applications that are not available on the Google Play Store. These applications are free to use and do not contain any proprietary software or ads. 2. Privacy-focused. Fdroid is designed to be privacy-focused, and it ensures that the applications available on the repository do not collect any personal data from users. The applications available on Fdroid are also open source, which means that users can inspect the code to ensure that their data is safe. 3. Easy to use. Fdroid has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to discover and install new applications. The app also provides search and filtering options that allow users to find the applications they need quickly. 4. Update notifications. Fdroid provides notifications for available updates for the installed applications. This helps users keep their applications up to date, which is essential for security and performance reasons. 5. Multiple repositories. Fdroid supports multiple software repositories, which means that users can add and access other repositories apart from the main Fdroid repository. 6. History of Fdroid. 7. Fdroid was founded in 2010 by Kieran Gultnieks, a developer from the United Kingdom. Gultnieks was frustrated with the lack of FOSS applications available on the Android platform and decided to create an app store focused on FOSS applications. The first version of Fdroid was released in 2010 and included just a few FOSS applications. 8. Over time, Fdroid grew in popularity and became a well-known alternative to Google Play. In 2012, Fdroid was officially incorporated as a nonprofit organization, with the goal of providing a secure and decentralized platform for distributing FOSS applications. Since then, Fdroid has continued to grow and improve, and it now offers over 3,000 FOSS applications. There are several advantages of using Fdroid over other app stores. 1. FOSS applications. Fdroid is focused on providing users with free and open source software applications. This means that users can trust that the applications they download do not contain any hidden or malicious code. FOSS applications are also often more transparent, customizable, and user-friendly than proprietary software. 2. Security. Fdroid is designed to be a secure and privacy-focused app store. It provides users with the source code of the applications they download, allowing them to verify that the application is indeed FOSS and that it does not contain any hidden or malicious code. Fdroid also conducts security audits of the applications in its repository to ensure that they are safe to use. Additionally, Fdroid does not track or collect any user data. 3. Decentralization. Fdroid is a decentralized app store, meaning that the repository of applications is hosted on Fdroid's servers but can also be mirrored on other servers. This ensures that the repository remains available even if Fdroid's servers go down. Decentralization also makes it more difficult for governments or other entities to censor or block the App Store. 4. Customizability. Fdroid allows users to customize their App Store experience. Users can choose to enable or disable certain repositories, allowing them to access a wider or narrower selection of applications. Users can also choose to receive notifications for updates or not, and they can choose to download and install applications over Wi-Fi only. 5. Quality of apps. Fdroid has a smaller selection of applications than the Google Play Store, but it focuses on quality rather than quantity. F-Droid only includes applications that meet its strict criteria for security, privacy, and freedom, while the Google Play Store includes a wide range of applications, including many low-quality or ad-supported apps. 6. No proprietary apps. F-Droid only includes FOSS applications in its repository. This means that users do not have to worry about accidentally downloading proprietary software that may contain ads or other unwanted features. 7. Easy updates. F-Droid provides users with automatic updates for the applications they have installed. When a new version of an application is available, the F-Droid client software will download and install it automatically. This ensures that users always have the latest and most secure version of the applications they use. 8. Community-driven. F-Droid is maintained by a community of developers and volunteers. This means that users can contribute to the development of the App Store by submitting new applications, fixing bugs, or translating the App Store into new languages. This community-driven approach ensures that F-Droid remains transparent, trustworthy, and up-to-date. In the coming episodes, we'll discuss about apps in every category that serve the purpose. By subscribing to our channel, you're not just supporting us, you're joining a movement of people who believe in the power of knowledge, creativity, and fun. This is Fdroid Store. It's very common that you can find Play Store, apps lagging, entire phone freezing, etc. In Fdroid, apps are divided into categories with no ads seen anywhere on the store, not like Google Play Store. Just take Gallery app as an example. You can compare them back, both those in the Play Store as well as in Fdroid Store. In Play Store, in the Photos app, you can see the permissions nearly 31, while that Simple Gallery Pro in the Fdroid Store the permission is only 6. This is just an example. The type of data harvesting is happening in our smartphones throughout the day 24/7 for 365 days non-stop. Fdroid interface is very smooth and subtle. Not only Fdroid consumes less resources, but the apps downloaded will exhibit the same behavior with low permissions. Some apps doesn't have internet permissions too. That is the beauty of the Fdroid store.